Objectives. At the end of the lesson, 100% of the student shall be able to attain at least 85% level of proficiency to A. Define mathematical terms related to linear equations in one variable. B. Solve linear equations in one variable using the properties of equality. And C. Identify like terms. Before we start our lesson, let's have a short review about our lesson yesterday. What is equation?
Equation is a statement with two expressions are.
What about the linear equation?
When equation can be written in standard form as x plus b equals c, where a, b, and c are real numbers, with a is not equal to 0.
Can you give us an example of linear equation?
2x plus 1 equals 0.
Before we start our discussion, we will be having a short. I have here a table of polynomial equations. This activity name Find Me. In this activity you will find or identify the linear equation. Direction. Encircle the linear equation. Let's now proceed to our next lesson about solving linear equation in one variable. From our group activity, what have you observed on your answer?
The linear equation is raised only at 1.
Yes, all of your answers are correct. There are different types of equation in our activity, and these are conditional equation, identity equation, and no solution equation. Your own words, what is conditional equation according to our example?
I think it is condition if the solution is not satisfied.
Yes, your answer is correct. Conditional equation is an equation that is satisfied by some, but not all real. Like for example, 3x minus 17 equals 25. Add 17 to both sides of the equation. Combine like term. Divide both sides by 3. 14 is a conditional equation. Check. Substitute the value of x. Another example. 2x plus 3 equals 5. Who would like to answer on the board?
2x plus 3 equals 5. Add on both sides negative 3. It will become 2x equals 2. Divide both sides by 1/2. Then x equals 1. For checking, substitute the value of x to the original equation.
Good job. Do you guys agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Then what about the identity equation?
I think an identity equation is true when both sides of the answer.
Very good. An identity equation is a true equation for all real number values of x. Example. Solve for x. 5 multiply 2x plus 4 equal 5x plus 20. 5x plus 20 equals 5x plus 20. Add on the both sides of negative 5 and negative 20. The answer 0 equal to 0. This means that the statement is true for all values of x. The equation is an identity. It has many solutions, all real numbers. Who would like to try on the board?
2 multiply 2 plus 2x equals 2x plus 4. 4 plus 4x equals 4x plus 4. Add on the both sides negative 4 and negative 4x. It will become 0 equal to 0. It is an identity equation.
Very good. How about if the equation has no
solution, if the answer is.
Consider the equation y plus 2 equals y. This equation is not true for any real values of the variable. Since there is no number which when added or subtracted to 2 is the same as the number, then we can say this equation has no solution. Solve for n 4n minus 1 equal to 4. Solution. 4n minus 1 equals 4n. Transpose 4n to the left side and 1 to the right side and change the sign into negative. The answer is 0 is not equal to 1. Solve it on the board. 3x minus 2 equals to 3x.
3x minus 2 equals to 3x. 3x minus 3x equals 2.
In addition, a solution of an equation is a number which, when substituted into the equation, makes the equation a true statement. The solution satisfies the equation. The value of the unknown variable is often called the root of the equation. Find the roots of equation. X over x minus 2 minus 5x over x squared minus 4 equal 1. Solution. Multiply both sides by the LCD. X squared minus 4 or x minus 2 times x plus 2 x squared plus 2x minus 5x equal x squared minus 4. 2x minus 5x equal negative 4. The root of equation x equal to 4 over 3. To end our lesson again, what are the different types of solving one equation?
The types of solving equation are identity equation, conditional equation, and no solution.
How do we say if the equation is conditional, identity, and has no solution, or false?
If the equation is satisfied by some, but not all real numbers, it's a conditional equation.
If the equation has a false statement, it's a no-solution equation.
If the both sides of the equation are equal, it's an identity equation.
Excellent, students. Do you have any further question or Since you don't have questions, let's have a group activity. You will just classify if it's an identity, conditional, or no solution equation.
To multiply 3 plus x equal to x plus 6. 6 plus 2x equal to x plus 6. 2x minus 2x equals 6 minus 6. 0 is equal to 0. It is an identity equation.
6x minus 1 equal x. 5x equal 1. X equal 1 over 5. To multiply x plus 1. 2x plus 1. 2x plus 2 equals 2x plus 1. 2x minus 2x equal 1 minus 2. 0 is not equal to negative 1. It has no solution.
Very good, student. Give yourself a round of applause. Since you understand our lesson, For your assignment, copy this. Goodbye, class. See you tomorrow.